the world held its breath. With unwavering determination, India touched down on the moon. The nation erupted in celebration, a monumental achievement for science. This mission was extraordinary. India inscribed its name in history, becoming the fourth nation to reach this milestone. A testament to human ambition and creativity, it embodies the spirit of a nation committed to pushing the boundaries, a nation with its eyes on the stars. India's journey serves as an inspiration. The moon, once a distant dream, now a tangible reality. It signifies India's emergence on the global stage of space exploration, a journey defined by perseverance and innovation. It inspires future generations to reach for the stars. The moon, our closest celestial companion, has fascinated humanity for countless generations. Its silvery glow has inspired countless myths and legends, a beacon of curiosity for poets, dreamers, and scientists. The desire to uncover its secrets dates back to ancient times. The 20th century marked a pivotal era in lunar exploration. The Soviet Union pioneered this journey with the launch of Sputnik in 1957. The United States followed with the Apollo program, leading to Neil Armstrong's historic moon landing in 1969. These missions revolutionized our knowledge of the moon, revealing crucial insights about its geology and formation. In recent times, there has been a renewed interest in lunar exploration. China has emerged as a significant player, advancing its ambitious lunar exploration initiatives. The quest to reach the moon started long before space travel was possible. Ancient cultures gazed at the night sky. They were fascinated by the glowing orb. The moon ignited their imagination. Telescopes brought the moon into focus. Scientists examined its craters and landscapes. The Soviet Union made a daring move. In 1959, they sent Lunar 2. It impacted the moon, marking a significant milestone. The Ranger program provided detailed images of the moon. The world held its breath. On July 20th, 1969, Apollo 11 made history by landing on the moon. Neil Armstrong's words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," resonated worldwide. This moment redefined what humanity could achieve. The Apollo missions showcased unparalleled human ingenuity. 12 astronauts walked on the moon, performing experiments and gathering lunar samples. They planted the American flag, symbolizing national pride. However, the Apollo program faced significant risks. Apollo 13, beset by technical issues, became a fight for survival. Despite Apollo's success, lunar exploration declined. Yet the desire to return and uncover the moon's secrets persisted. The moon, once a distant dream for humanity, transformed into a focal point for scientific discovery. Researchers saw its potential as a pristine laboratory for unraveling the mysteries of the early solar system. With the advent of new technologies, lunar missions became more achievable and cost-effective. The private sector joined the space race, driven by a passion for innovation and discovery. The moon's allure grew stronger. China initiated a series of Chang'e missions, deploying orbiters, landers, and rovers. The revelation of water ice on the moon ignited further interest. This vital resource could be key to sustaining future human missions. India, a nation with a rich history of scientific inquiry, turned its gaze to the cosmos. The cosmos, a domain of boundless opportunities. In the early 1960s, a new vision began to emerge. Vikram Sarabhai, a pioneering physicist, led this mission. He recognized the transformative potential of space technology. Thus, the Indian National Committee for Space Research, or INCOSPAR, was established. From modest beginnings, INCOSPAR flourished. The small fishing village of Thumba was transformed into India's spaceport. Dedicated scientists and engineers worked relentlessly. In 1963, India launched its first sounding rocket from Thumba. It was a modest start, yet a moment of great significance. This event marked the inception of India's space program. India's initial space endeavours were driven by practical needs. Leveraging space technology for national development, priorities included communication, education, and weather forecasting. In 1975, India reached a significant milestone: the launch of Aryabhata, the nation's first homegrown satellite. Named after the famed Indian mathematician, Aryabhata signified India's entry onto the global space platform. Aryabhata was equipped with instruments for space research. It collected crucial data on X-ray astronomy and solar physics. Aryabhata's success brought immense pride, motivating a new generation of Indian scientists and engineers, leading to subsequent satellite missions. Each mission presented new obstacles and victories. Chandrayaan-1 marked India's historic entry into lunar exploration. In the early 2000s, India set its sights on the Moon, initiating a groundbreaking mission. The Chandrayaan-1 mission was born, aiming to explore the lunar surface. Its primary goal was to map the Moon and analyze its mineral composition. In 2008, Chandrayaan-1 was launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. The spacecraft successfully achieved lunar orbit. The mission delivered detailed and unprecedented data about the Moon's surface. Chandrayaan-1's groundbreaking discovery electrified the scientific community. The identification of water molecules on the Moon. This revelation carried significant implications for future lunar missions. The Moon, once considered arid and lifeless, now promised water. This finding ignited India's aspirations for lunar exploration. Chandrayaan-1 showcased India's prowess in reaching the Moon. The focus then shifted to achieving a lunar landing, to planting the Indian flag on the Moon's surface. A new chapter in India's space journey was about to unfold. The triumph of Chandrayaan-1 had a lasting impact on India's space endeavours. It highlighted the nation's capability to execute complex interplanetary missions, inspiring a new generation of scientists, engineers, and visionaries. Chandrayaan-2 preparing for a lunar touchdown. Building on the triumph of Chandrayaan-1, India set its ambitions even higher. The next milestone, landing a rover on the Moon's surface. Thus, the Chandrayaan-2 mission, marked by its intricate planning, was conceived. This mission aimed to accomplish what its predecessor could not: a soft lunar landing. The Vikram lander, named in honour of Vikram Sarabhai, the pioneer of India's space program, was designed to deploy the Pragyan rover. Launched in 2019, Chandrayaan-2 carried the aspirations of an entire nation. The mission, a showcase of India's technological capabilities, aimed for groundbreaking scientific achievements. The spacecraft set off on its voyage, covering millions of kilometres to reach the Moon. ISRO, India's space agency, closely monitored each step of the mission. The journey of Vikram lander, a tale of ambition and challenge. Anticipation soared as Vikram initiated its descent. The lander, equipped with the Pragyan rover, targeted a site near the Moon's south pole, a region ripe for exploration. The initial phases of the landing were executed smoothly. Vikram, under the guidance of onboard systems and ISRO's skilled team, navigated the lunar surface. It appeared that India was on the brink of a historic achievement. Yet, in the crucial final moments, communication with Vikram was abruptly lost. Instead of a smooth landing, the lander veered off its intended path. Despite this challenge, the Chandrayaan-2 mission marked several achievements. The orbiter, continuing its mission, transmitted valuable data from lunar orbit. Perseverance amidst setbacks, analysing the data. Despite the setback with Vikram, India's space agency pressed on. Scientists and engineers delved into the data, eager to extract valuable lessons. The orbiter of Chandrayaan-2, armed with advanced cameras and spectrometers, captured stunning images of the Moon's surface. It charted craters, mountains, and expansive plains, unveiling the moon's ancient secrets. Instruments on the orbiter examined the moon's tenuous atmosphere, hunting for traces of water molecules and other volatiles. The mission's data provided insights into the distribution of water ice on the moon, a vital resource for future lunar missions. This mission highlighted India's advancing space technology and its dedication to expanding the frontiers of scientific discovery. Chandrayaan-3, a new dawn for Indian space exploration. After the Chandrayaan-2 setback, India boldly announced its next lunar mission, Chandrayaan-3. The mission's primary goal was to achieve a successful soft landing and deploy a rover on the moon. ISRO made significant design improvements and refined landing procedures based on previous experiences. On August 23, 2023, a historic moment unfolded. Chandrayaan-3's lander successfully touched down on the moon's south polar region. Celebrations erupted across India, uniting the nation in pride and joy. The triumph of Chandrayaan-3 marked a significant milestone in scientific discovery and solidified India's status in the global space community. Unveiling lunar mysteries, scientific breakthroughs. India's lunar explorations, fueled by curiosity, have led to significant scientific breakthroughs. Chandrayaan-1's pivotal discovery was the detection of water molecules on the moon. This finding overturned the long-held belief of the moon being an arid, barren place. Chandrayaan-2, despite its landing challenges, advanced the mission to uncover lunar secrets. Its orbiter provided an unprecedented map of the moon's surface, showcasing its intricate geological history. Data from Chandrayaan-2 offered new insights into the distribution of minerals and elements on the moon. Technological prowess. Innovations from India's space program. India's advancements in space technology are a reflection of its growing expertise and innovation. The nation has made significant strides in designing and building sophisticated spacecraft and powerful launch vehicles. The Chandrayaan missions have highlighted India's capabilities in deep space navigation and communication systems. Additionally, India's space program has pioneered advancements in remote sensing and satellite technology. These Earth observation satellites are crucial for providing data on agriculture, weather forecasting, and disaster management. The innovations from India's lunar missions have far-reaching applications, extending well beyond space exploration. Inspiring a nation, shaping the future. India's lunar missions have sparked a wave of enthusiasm and national pride. The Indian flag on the moon stands as a testament to the nation's dreams and accomplishments. Chandrayaan-3's success has fueled a newfound interest in space and technology among the youth. With its innovative and cost-effective approach, India's space program is a beacon for other nations aiming for the stars. The global community watches with keen interest as India advances in its lunar exploration endeavours. A new era of lunar exploration. India's successful lunar landing heralds a transformative chapter in space exploration. This achievement marks the beginning of a new era, characterized by international collaboration and shared scientific goals. Historically, lunar exploration was spearheaded by the United States and the Soviet Union. In the 21st century, a renewed interest in lunar missions has emerged, with various countries joining the quest. China has made notable progress, landing on the moon and conducting extensive research. With Chandrayaan-3, India cements its role as a key player in the global space community. India's edge lies in innovative solutions and global partnerships. Combining cost efficiency with global teamwork, India excels in space. ISRO achieves extraordinary feats with a modest budget. Chandrayaan-3 showcases India's budget-friendly ambitions. Collaboration with global experts boosts India's space missions. India offers satellite launch services to nations worldwide. A universe of possibilities. India's lunar mission transcends the act of planting a flag. It signifies a monumental shift in our cosmic perspective. The moon, once a distant marvel, is now within our grasp, a realm where humanity can push boundaries and uncover new knowledge. India's achievement shines as a symbol of hope and aspiration. It demonstrates that with creativity and teamwork, dreams can come true. India has embarked on a new era of space exploration, setting the stage for future discoveries. With its successful lunar missions, India has emerged as a formidable player. Driven by determination and innovation, it has garnered global respect. From launching initial sounding rockets to achieving a soft landing on the moon, India continues to expand its capabilities. Its ambitions reach Mars, Venus, and beyond, contributing significantly to global knowledge. The horizon is promising, with India playing a crucial role.